Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering GATE 2021. So this video is about GATE 2021. It is an examination that primarily tests the comprehensive understanding of the various undergraduate subjects in engineering as well as in science. The GATE score of a candidate reflects the relative performance level of a candidate. This score is generally used for the admissions to various postgraduate education programs like Master of Engineering, Master of Technology, Master of Architecture, Doctor of Philosophy in Indian higher education institutes with financial assistance provided by MHRD, also by the other government agencies. Recently, GATE scores are also being used by several Indian public sector undertakings for recruiting graduate engineers in entry level positions. So, it is considered to be one of the most competitive examinations in India. So we are going to see GATE 2021 recently released notification. Usually, the GATE examinations will be conducted by either IITs or IISc. This time it's going to be IIT Bombay which is going to conduct GATE 2021. So they have released a notification regarding GATE 2021. So according to that release, the examination date will be 5th, 6th and 7th as well as 12th, 13th and 14th February 2021. Earlier exams will be conducted on Saturdays and Sundays, but this time, by considering the present COVID 19 pandemic situation, they have planned for Friday, Saturday, Sundays, and that too for 2 weeks in the February 2021. And what are the other important things in these notifications are two new subject papers have been added like environmental science and engineering as well as humanities and social sciences. So including these two subjects, there are totally 27 subjects are there in the GATE 2021. Also, unlike the previous year examination where we can undergo only one subject paper, but this time it's going to be two subject papers. So you can choose two different subjects and you can attend. It's your wish, you can attend either for one subject or you can choose two different subjects, but the two different subjects will be from the prescribed set of combinations that will be provided by the organizing committees. So based on those prescribed set of combinations that have been provided by the organizing committee, you can choose any two major subjects for the examination. This is also the most interesting thing in GATE 2021 release. Then, the eligibility criteria to appear in GATE 2021 is also released. It should be of 10 plus 2 plus 4 to the minimum of 10 plus 2 plus 3, which means that third year engineering candidates are also eligible for GATE 2021. This is the new thing comparing to the previous one. So even the third year of undergraduate studies candidate can also appear for this examination, so that they are telling it provides an additional opportunity to the candidates to improve their performance for securing better career options. The details have been provided in the official website. So GATE 2021 eligibility criteria: BE or BTech or B Farm currently in the final years or already completed can apply, or BE BTech those who are currently studying in the third year can also apply, and BArch currently in the final year as well as already completed. Then BSc Research or BS currently in the fourth year or already completed candidates can apply. MSc, MA, MCA or its equivalent degree, those who are in final year or already completed, they are eligible. And then ME or MTech, that is post BSc integrated master degree programs in engineering and technology, those who are currently in the second, third or fourth year or already completed are eligible. And then similarly integrated master degree program or dual degree in engineering and technology, 5 years program. Those who are currently in the 4th or 5th year of or already completed or eligible. And then the integrated MSc or 5 years integrated BSMS program. Those who are currently in the final year or already completed or eligible. And coming to the tentative dates of GATE 2021, the official website notification, it's 16th July 2020, and application form availability August end or September first week, and the last date for filling the application form is September end, and the last date for registering with late fee, it will be around October first week, and application form correction window October third week, and application correction window for specific sections November first week, admit card download Jan first week, and examination date already we have seen, it's going to be 5th to 7th and 12th to 13th of Feb 2021, and the result announcement will be March 3rd week. So this is the tentative dates for the GATE 2021. I will be back with some other important notifications related to GATE 2021 as well as any other government job opportunities. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. All the best. Thank you.